Have you ever wondered why so many filmmakers and YouTubers and even Hollywood studios are obsessed with DaVinci Resolve? Today, I'm going to give you a tour of what makes this software powerful and why it might just change the way you think about editing forever. Hello, my name is Ikello Herod, and I work over at 1111 Media Creator Academy, where we teach authors and filmmakers and creatives how to use artificial intelligence and other modern tools to bring your vision, their vision, everyone's vision to life. If you're interested in learning how to write scripts, edit video, or even create short films with AI as your creative partner, check out the Academy. There are links in the description. Let's talk about DaVinci Resolve. At its core, DaVinci Resolve is a nonlinear editor, or an NLE. That means that you can arrange and rearrange clips, audio, graphics, and effects in any order in your timeline, giving you total creative control. But what makes DaVinci Resolve different from other editors is that it's not just one program. It is really 6 powerful programs all in one. The cut page is built for speed. It's a streamlined environment where you can assemble rough cuts, trim quickly, and move fast. Perfect for creatives who want to get projects finished without drowning in menu. The edit page is your traditional timeline editor. If you use something like Premiere or Final Cut, this will feel familiar. It's where you have the most control for long-term editing, detailed trimming, and complex projects. Then we have the Fairlight page. Most video editors don't come with a professional audio tool, but Resolve does. Fairlight is a full digital audio workstation built right in. You can record voiceovers, clean up dialogue, mix music, and add sound effects, all without leaving the program. The color page is where Resolve has built its reputation. It's the industry standard for color grading. You can fix problems with exposure, white balance, or go cinematic with advanced grading tools. Film looks. The power of the node corrections and the way you can use nodes is amazing. Speaking of nodes, the Fusion page is where your visual effects live. It's a node-based compositor, meaning you can create motion graphics, titles, green screen composites, and even full-on visual effects shots, all in this page. And finally, the delivery page is where you export your finished work. Whether you're uploading to YouTube or exporting for TikTok or delivering a 4K master for film, Resolve gives you preset and advanced options so that your video looks its best wherever it is, everywhere. Now, let's talk about the versions. DaVinci Resolve comes in a free editor. It's a free edition. There's a paid studio edition. The free version is already incredibly powerful. You can edit and grade and mix and export up to 4K resolution without paying a dime. Studio unlocks more advanced features like noise reduction, support for higher resolutions and frame rates, HDR grading, additional codecs, and collaborative workflows. And the best part, Studio is not a subscription. It's a one-time purchase that includes free updates for life. Did you hear me? For life. The newest version, it's called DaVinci 20. It takes everything even further. Blackmagic added over 100 new features, including AI-assisted editing, animated subtitles, smarter audio cleanup, ProRes RAW support, and even immersive video workflows that work with Apple Vision Pro. And I hate to break the news to you, but it also works with Quest 3. It's clear to me that Resolve is pushing the boundaries of what creators can do with one program, not 6, one program. So if you are just starting out, Resolve is one of the best tools you can choose right now, because you can grow to it. Start simple. Then, as your skills expand, you can move deeper into audio, into color or effects without even switching to another program. That's what makes DaVinci Resolve such a game changer. If you found this helpful, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss future breakdowns. And, YouTube likes to YouTube. I'll be doing more deep dives into each one of Resolve's pages in the upcoming videos. We want to kind of give you a generalization of each one of the pages. And we're going to have a pretty big course that I'm working on right now that hopefully will get you to the finish line from start to finish. And if you really want to level up your storytelling, check out 1111 Media Creator Academy, where we teach you how to harness tools like DaVinci Resolve and AI to build the creative career you've been dreaming about. And welcome to the studio. I'll see you in the next video.